everyone, it's a Learning Ilocano video, and tonight, let's start learning vegetables in Ilocano. Let's start. Our first two, we have okra, tarong, 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 okra, and tarong. For our next vegetable, I don't have it now, it's already gone, but you can see it on the video clip. Squash or kalabasa in Ilocano is karabasa. 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 Karabasa.
Laki-laki naman ito.
Wow, look at that.
Itong kamatis.
Kalabasa, no?
Our next video clip, hyacinth bean in Ilocano is parda. Parda. Hyacinth bean, parda. 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 And for our last one, tabungaw. Tabungaw. Tabungaw.
Nagato. Hindi ko ang kanak. Di man dito na dyan nabugungan. Binugungan na latan. Ginagiwa nga kasta nga
Nagsamit.
katikitog.
Nasamit.
Thank you, Uncle. Gabi na.
This is the half of the tabungaw that my mom was carrying on that video clip. So that's how the inside looks like. So that's our last one for tonight. Tabungaw. 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 And that's all for our Learn Ilocano vegetables. Let's have more next time. Bye. Good night.